How to change name on Amazon account. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Amazon app on your mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your Amazon account. Now, once in there, simply tap on the U icon or profile icon option available at the bottom tab in the middle. Once you tap on it, you will be navigated to your account settings. There, tap on the account option available there. Inside account, scroll down and there you'll get to see login and security option available. Tap on it. Now what you have to do is tap on the name option available at the top of your screen. And you can see edit option available right next to it. Tap on the edit and edit out your name according to your preferences and tap on the save changes. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.